Just settle in comfortably now and close your eyes and just become aware of your breathing. Just notice the gentle in and out as each breath flows naturally. There's nothing to control. Simply allow your breathing to become your guide to relaxation here and now. And as you listen to my voice, let yourself become aware of any tension in your face, your jaw, or anywhere else. And know that you don't have to change it. Just notice it. And in a moment, you'll discover that you can guide yourself to deep comfort just by listening and following along. And now, focus on your eyelids. Allow them to relax. Relax so completely that they simply don't want to open. And as you relax your eyelids now, you can begin to sense a pleasant heaviness. And when you're satisfied that they just won't work, just test them gently. Discover that they don't want to open, and then stop testing, letting that ease spread downwards. Let that sensation double now. Relax even further, letting comfort sink down through your cheeks, your jaw and your neck, down into your shoulders. And imagine that relaxation is a warm, soothing wave, spreading, melting away any hint of tightness. That's right. Each breath deepens your comfort. And with every exhale, drift further into relaxation, almost as though any thoughts or worries just fade into the background. And as you listen to my words, the sound of my voice can draw you down, guiding you more easily inwards, letting your mind become wonderfully absorbed in this moment. And as you rest here, imagine yourself at the top of a gentle, winding staircase. The steps are broad and inviting, covered in the softest material you can imagine, plush, safe, and wonderfully soothing. And in a moment, I'll count down from 10 to 1, and with each number, step down to a deeper level of comfort, letting go with every step, as if each part of you grows lighter, your body floating, your mind sinking in the most natural and comforting way. 10. Letting your shoulders go loose and limp, feeling them release. 9. Your jaw softens, any tightness simply melting as you drift deeper. 8. Noticing your face, calm and smooth, all muscles letting go. 7. Sinking down, your entire body enveloped in a warm glow. 6. Every breath takes you further, your mind becoming peaceful and still. 5. Halfway down, aware of a gentle lightness, a sense of freedom within you. 4. Each step doubles your comfort, relaxing muscles you didn't know could soften. 3. Any lingering tension draining away, leaving you serene and renewed. 2. At the bottom now, safe, supported, deeply rooted in comfort. And 1. Deeply at ease, your mind perfectly open to positive suggestions. And as you reach this peaceful place, picture the staircase fading, replaced by a sensation of floating in a pool of tranquility, calm, relaxed, and fully present. Each word I say now guides you deeper, making change easy, gentle, and lasting. Let this comfort become your new normal, your new way of being. And now, in this soothing place, imagine gently turning your attention towards your jaw, the muscles, the joints, your teeth. Just observe. Notice how right now in this moment your jaw feels loose, totally at ease. That's right. It can be surprisingly easy to let go of unnecessary tension. And as you listen, you might realize you have more control than you ever imagined, simply by noticing, simply by relaxing. And from this moment forward, your mind begins to recognize and respond to comfort in new ways. It's as if there's an innate wisdom within you, a part that knows how to rest, how to release, how to let go. And that part is waking up now, ready to help. And you may become aware each day and each night of a gentle reminder blooming inside your subconscious. The message that your jaw is safe, your teeth are protected, and you can rest without clenching, without grinding. Your mouth can stay relaxed, naturally, easily, automatically. And perhaps with every night's sleep, your mind and body discover more reasons to allow relaxation to remain. And imagine, just for a moment, that at bedtime as you settle in, you begin to notice how natural it is to allow your mouth to rest. There can be a sense of ease as the muscles gently soften, the teeth never needing to press or grind. You enjoy this calm, and your entire being welcomes this peaceful habit. And as you imagine your mouth relaxing, you realize the old habit of grinding, of clenching, has no power here. It's just an echo, something old you've let drift away, released with every soothing breath. And each night, your subconscious reminds your jaw to stay loose and easy. It's almost as if as soon as your head touches the pillow, a signal is sent. Relax your jaw, keep your teeth apart, rest deeply. And this feeling becomes more and more automatic. And you may notice as the days pass, a new choice appears, a light, easy awareness reminding you to release tension, to let your mouth and teeth soften, like a gentle suggestions floating in your mind. Relax now, let go. You feel empowered, secure and free. You already know what relaxation feels like. And now you're discovering that you can bring this state of ease to your jaw, your face, your entire body, anytime you wish. And if ever tension creeps in, it becomes a cue, a simple signal to breathe deeply, to soften, to return to comfort. And whenever you notice your jaw, you find it incredibly easy to allow relaxation to flow down, spreading calm. You enjoy this sensation, and your mind finds creative ways to reinforce it. Perhaps picturing a gentle breeze, a soothing wave, or a warm hand, calming and smoothing your jaw. See yourself in your daily life, waking, sleeping, working, laughing, talking. In every situation, your face feels peaceful, your jaw unconsciously soft and your teeth safely apart. And even if something used to trigger tension, it now inspires an automatic release, a wave of calm flowing through you, reminding you are in control. And the more you practice, the more natural this becomes. Each day your mind and body work together in perfect harmony, guiding you to choose relaxation, to enjoy release, to let go, even when you're not thinking about it. You feel proud of this progress. You notice improvements. Maybe you sense your teeth are safer, your mornings are more refreshed, and your jaw feels lighter. And every positive change reinforces the next. Let each small success shine, magnified in your mind, a sign of your strength, your adaptability, your personal mastery. You trust yourself to continue easily and gently, supporting your health and comfort with each new day. And you can let this truth settle into your subconscious mind. You enjoy keeping your jaw relaxed. You easily and automatically avoid grinding or clenching your teeth, and all the old patterns simply fade, replaced by comfort and control. Feel the satisfaction of knowing that this transformation is already underway. With every breath, with every night of restful sleep, and every moment of quiet awareness, you're more empowered, more relaxed, more free. And now it's time to bring this session to a close. In a moment, I'll count from 1 to 5. And with each number, you'll begin returning to full awareness, carrying with you a sense of lightness, a sense of accomplishment, a sense of calm mastery. Each number brings you back, feeling more alert, more refreshed, more confident in your ability to keep your jaw comfortable and your teeth safe. 1. Beginning to notice the room around you, bringing gentle movement into your fingers and toes. 2. Feeling energy return to your body as if a gentle wave is washing over you, awakening and refreshed. 3. Bringing back all the benefits of this session, every positive feeling and change growing stronger. 4. Your eyes feeling lighter, your body feels lighter, a big sense of accomplishment and well-being growing within you. And 5. Eyes open when you're ready, wide awake, alert, and feeling restored. Take a moment to breathe deeply now, stretching a little, coming all the way back, alert and refreshed. Notice how peaceful and relaxed your jaw feels. The ease and comfort can stay with you throughout your day and night, naturally and automatically. And from this moment on, every time you rest, every time you become aware of your jaw, your subconscious mind automatically reminds you, relax, release, and enjoy comfort now. Each night these new habits grow stronger, your jaw more comfortable, your teeth protected, your relaxation deeper. Let these changes integrate effortlessly, supporting your well-being and freedom in all the days ahead. Thank you for taking this important step towards greater comfort and control. Every time you listen, you reinforce your new, healthier habit, strengthening your relaxation and your confidence. Remember, you're always capable of change, and the peaceful ease in your mouth and jaw is yours anytime you wish. And of course, until next time, goodbye and good mental health.